Today, we will be updating a 3rd gen's headlights to modern H4 LEDs. I went with a glass H4 4x6 housing. I chose these because they look 100% stock. There are other more bold 4x6 lights available, but I really like the stock look. The first step is to install the new H4 bulbs. It's difficult to recommend just one brand of LED bulbs because there are so many of them. Basically, any 50 watt H4 LED bulb will work. I chose 50 watts because that's what the original halogen bulb was rated for. The H4 bulb pinout is different than the stock bulb, so we will need to use a pigtail and cross the wires. I'll be using the low beam pinout on the H4 bulb. I used a 1/4 inch blade style terminal for the H4 bulb's ground and low beam. You can also buy an adapter if you don't feel like doing any crimping or soldering. Connect the pigtail to the new LED bulb. Test the new bulb in the factory socket. I left the headlight on for a few minutes to see how well the heat was dissipating from the new LED bulb. The next step is to remove the old sealed halogen bulb. Remove the top 2 screws and loosen the bottom 2. Unplug the old bulb, and then remove the old bulb from the housing. Install the new light and the retaining plate. Plug in the new wires to the original plug, and use a zip tie to secure the pigtail. As it turns out, the 3rd wire is needed to avoid headlight beam issues. Go ahead and install a 1/4 inch terminal on the 3rd wire, and then plug it into the stock headlight plug. The next step is to align the new headlights. Park 25 feet away from a wall and measure the beam pattern. The goal here is to ensure that you can see the road when you're driving, but aren't blasting other drivers with extremely powerful LED lights. We all know how annoying that can be. You can adjust the beam pattern by turning the adjustment screw. The difference between the old halogens and the new LEDs are obvious. I hope you guys liked this quick video. Remember to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.